All right, let's talk about a side hustle that could actually change things for you. One that could potentially bring in up to 1 lakh a month. And the best part? All you need is your phone. Seriously, no website, no hunting for clients, and get this, you never ever have to show your face. Let's dive right in.
But first, let's be honest for a second. How many of these make money online videos have you watched? You get all hyped up, you're ready to go, and then nothing. You hit a wall. It's super frustrating, right? Well, trust me, you are definitely not alone in that.
Yeah, it's always the same old story, isn't it? Oh, I can't build a website. I have no idea how to code. Where do I even find clients? I don't even have a laptop. And honestly, a really big one is, I just don't want to build a personal brand and be all over the internet. Well, the method we're talking about today, it just completely sidesteps all of that. So what's the secret? It's a platform that I'm willing to bet a lot of people have just totally overlooked as a serious business tool, especially here in India. It's time to completely rethink what you know about Pinterest. Okay, so here's the biggest mental shift you need to make. We tend to lump Pinterest in with Instagram or YouTube, but that's a huge mistake. Think about it. You open Instagram to kill time, to see what your friends are up to. But why do you open Pinterest? You go there with a mission. You're planning a trip, looking for recipes, or, and this is key, you're looking for things to buy. It's not social media. It's a search engine, but for pictures. And that difference in mindset, it changes the entire game. And hey, don't just take my word for it. The numbers are pretty wild. The chance of someone actually buying something from Pinterest is up to 5 times higher than on Instagram. Why? It's all about that intent. People on Pinterest aren't just scrolling, they're searching, they're ready to do something, to buy something. Now, let's be clear. Pinterest itself isn't going to cut you a check for getting 1 million views. That's not how this works. Instead, it gives you something way more valuable in the long run, a steady stream of free, high-quality traffic. And you've got to understand, on the internet, traffic is literally currency. If you can get people's attention and point it somewhere, you can make money. Period. Okay, so we've got this amazing traffic. How do we turn that into actual money in the bank? Well, to figure that out, we have to get inside the head of a typical Pinterest user. So, picture this. Every single person who buys something goes on this little journey. It starts with awareness. A student is just mindlessly scrolling, right? And they see a pin for a minimal hostel room makeover. And they think, my room is kind of boring. It could look like that. They weren't even searching for it. Then comes consideration. Now they're hooked. They start saving a bunch of pins, creating a board, comparing different ideas, looking at budget-friendly stuff, and then a few days later comes the decision. They go, you know what? I'm getting that 400 rupee LED strip I saw. See? It's not an impulse buy. It's a thought-out purchase they were led to. And this right here is the absolute key. What you're getting from Pinterest is what we call warm traffic. These aren't just random people you have to sell to from scratch. No. These are people who are already looking for answers, already researching, and are pretty much halfway to pulling out their wallet. And here's where it gets really good. We're not just talking about a local audience. The biggest chunk of Pinterest users are in the USA, and a huge number of them have serious money to spend. So you can be sitting right here in India, making simple little images on your phone and earning in dollars. And maybe the best part of all, nobody cares about brands. People search for desk lamp, not Philips desk lamp. This means you don't need a famous personal brand. You just need to have the good idea. All right, enough theory. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here are the 3 main ways you can actually turn all this traffic into cold, hard cash. Now, don't think of these as choosing one path. Think of them like building blocks or layers. You start with the first one, get it running, then you add the second on top, and then the third. You're building multiple income streams, all from the exact same traffic. It's super smart. So, layer 1 is affiliate marketing. This is the easiest place to start. You just recommend products from places like Amazon, and when someone buys, you get a small cut. It's a numbers game, low profit per sale, but you can get a ton of them. Then you can level up to layer 2, blogging and ads. You send all that Pinterest traffic to a simple blog and you make money from ads and also from the affiliate links in your articles. And finally, layer 3, the top of the pyramid, digital products. This is where you sell your own stuff, like planners or templates you can whip up in Canva. The profit margins here are insane. You keep almost all the money. Okay, let's pause for a quick reality check. This is not, and I repeat, not a get rich overnight thing. It takes time, it takes patience, and it takes consistency. So let's look at what your first 6 months are really going to look like. So for the first 2 months, you're in what I call the trust phase. The Pinterest algorithm is basically watching you. It's like a new boss, seeing if you show up every day. Your views are going to be pretty low, and it might feel like you're shouting into the void. But then, if you stick with it, around month 3, bam, you'll see a spike. That's the algorithm saying, okay, I trust this person, let's show their stuff to more people. And from there, it's all about building momentum until you've got this consistent fire hose of traffic. I love this analogy because it's so true. It's exactly like going to the gym. For the first 2 months, you work out, you're sore, you look in the mirror, and you see nothing. Absolutely no change. And you want to quit so bad, but you keep going. And then one day, out of the blue, a friend says, "Whoa, have you been working out?" That's Pinterest. The growth isn't a straight line, it's an explosion that happens after a period of quiet, consistent work. So want to speed this whole process up? Here's a pro tip. You gotta niche down. But don't just guess, be a scientist about it. Start by creating 3 separate accounts in 3 totally different niches. Maybe one is room decor, one is tech gadgets, and one is skincare. Post consistently for 1 month. Then look at the numbers. Which account is getting more saves, more clicks? The data will tell you what's working. Drop the losers and go all in on the winner. The algorithm rewards people who are experts in one thing. Okay, we've talked about the strategy, we've gotten inside the buyer's head, we've laid out the timeline. We've covered a lot, but honestly, none of it means a thing without this next part. And it is, by far, the most important part, actually starting. Here's a hard truth, and it kind of sucks to say it, but it's real. 95% of people who listen to something like this will get excited. They'll think, wow, this is a great idea. And then they will do absolutely nothing. They'll wait for the perfect moment, which, spoiler alert, never shows up. Please, do not be in that 95%. There's this quote, and it's perfect for this moment. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Look, your first pin is probably going to be ugly. Your first idea might be a flop. Who cares? It doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is breaking the inertia and just starting. Greatness isn't born from planning, it's born from doing. So I'm giving you a mission, and it's for right now. Not tomorrow, not when I have time, as soon as this is over. Step 1, open your phone. Step 2, download the Pinterest app if you don't have it. Step 3, create and post 1 single pin. That's it. It's such a small action, but it's the one that breaks you out of that 95%. Seriously, think about it. Your entire journey to potentially earning a lakh a month, it could literally begin with that 1 single pin you post in the next 5 minutes. Everything we've discussed is waiting